So here we are, guys, at Binsar. You can see the beauty of this place, and you can see my beauty walking there. And look at the scenic beauty around us, the scenic view around us. And here's another beauty, my daughter. She's loving this place. That's the bonfire area I was talking about. We should definitely go and see that. But before that, let me show you the view, the hill view, the jungles, the trees there you can see, and very fresh air, extremely peaceful, quiet, serene. This is the eco resort where we are staying. It's a little off track, but definitely worth coming. But you'll have to ensure that you book beforehand, otherwise the bookings are almost generally full. Let me take you to my daughter. What is she exploring? Let's see. So apparently this property was made during the corona time, so they've maintained it very well, true to its name. It's eco-friendly. There you can see a small lawn over there. That's the extension of the property. Where is Blackie?
I am fighting him.
You're searching him?
Yeah.
Looking for him, no? Okay. ये देखिए यहाँ पर अभी भी खाना और पानी इस तरीके से चूल्हे में बनता है. This is exactly what we used to have in our hometown when my granny was there. So ये traditional चूल्हा है which they still maintain. The food gets cooked predominantly on this. Very nicely done. They have still maintained the original touch, the traditional touch. This is the bonfire area. So if you come in a group, you can actually request them to have a bonfire done over here. क्या है उधर? That's my daughter enjoying and searching for Blackie. Naira, I can't come. Because I'm not wearing my slippers, beta. I'm walking barefoot. See. Look at the mountain view. These guys are really very lucky to have this kind of a setup and this kind of a life. I think this is what... Look at the jungle over there. That's all jungle, by the way. And you have leopards, you have deer, you have I think those big birds, forgetting the name now. You have them also, जिसे जो मेरे नैनीहाल में भी होते हैं. But yeah. As you can see, she's thoroughly enjoying this place, and that is what it should be. That's the sit-out area. Let me just show you, though the video is getting a little lengthier, let me show you the extension of the bonfire area. So this takes us to the other resort area, which you can see the pathway, and that's connected. I mean, this is all right at the foothills of the jungle that you see at the top. Words are not enough to actually explain how beautiful this place is, how clean the air is, right? How good the food is, how fresh the food is, right? So you should definitely come this side. The weather is amazing. Amazing. I mean, if you look at the heat that we are experiencing, this is the place. Of course, afternoon is going to be a little hot because the sun rays are direct in the hills, which has always been the case. But even though it is hot, it is like, you know, manageable. It is still very good. So that's a little bit about this particular video. We'll see you around as we go along. We'll be going to Hat Kalika today, doing the darshan of my Kul Devi, and then from there we'll be leaving this beautiful state, this beautiful place, and heading to Ujjain, which shows about 24 hours drive. So hopefully it will be a good drive. Can I say hello to everyone?
Hello. Blackie.
Alright guys, thank you. See you. Bye bye.